going to be going through what I got from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Blood collection. Really quick, if you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button down there to become a part of the Glam Fam. And if you click the red button down there and then the bell notification next to it, you will never miss another one of these videos. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They're also at Beauty by Josie K. And I hope you guys will go follow me over there. And let's jump into this video. I bought 2 things from the collection and then 1 thing that is just a regular makeup product. So I got the Velour Lip Scrub, and this is in the flavor Blue Freeze, and I actually really enjoy this flavor. It tastes, literally, it tastes really, really good. And then I got the Jeffree Star regular Velour liquid lipstick, and I just don't understand how I haven't got this yet. And this is in Celebrity Skin. You guys have already probably heard of this liquid lipstick. It smells like root beer, and it is a beautiful nude color. It's kind of almost my natural color, just a little bit darker, and I really, really like it a lot. And then we have what you all are here for, and that is the Blue Blood palette. And oh my gosh, guys, this is such a beautiful designed palette. Like, look at that. Look at the details of the box. It is just so glorious. And of course the top, and it's beveled, and I love it so much. So it has this little clip right here. You just push it up like that, and then you open it, and here is the palette. You get some really good shades in this, especially if you guys like blues, obviously. You get really a really good assortment of blues and actually aquas, and then more peachy tones and some really good transitions. Really quick, also, I did do this makeup look with the Blue Blood palette on my channel. If you would like to go check it out, if it is up right now, I will link it somewhere up here. If it is not, it will be up soon. Alright, let's get into the swatching. Oh my. Look how pigmented that is. That's beautiful. The first shade is Coleman Mint Tea Crystal Flesh. I'm Cold, Untouchable, Priceless. Ooh. Power, Blue Blood, Deceased, Ice Tray, Blue Monday, Flourishing. Now, look at this one.
I used that one.
Oh, is that one the one you used?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that'll show them your look.
Oh, but my hair.
That's fine. Look down. Wealthy, Celebrity Skin, Entitled, oh my, oh, Ocean Ice, Cremated, and Undertaker. Alright, so that is the whole entire Blue Blood palette swatched. The swatches up here are not as, you know, organized and well swatched as here, but you get the drift. I am blown away by this palette, first of all, because I don't really have much blue eyeshadow. And so this was like, I had to get it when it came out. I had to, because it's just so out of the box and not like a normal thing for a brand to do, which I love. That is it for this swatch video. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe down below and maybe give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite color from the palette is, but also what your favorite collection from Jeffree Star is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope you stay and become part of the Glam Fam. I talk to y'all mostly on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. They're also at Beauty by Josie K, and I hope you go check me out over there as well. Also, don't forget that I did this look on my channel as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye!